recording, and that's it. Finish. So yeah, definitely. If you can see the screen, can you just read what is this here?
Welcome to JS 1 week 2.
Yeah, so it means you can read, you can see the screen, right? That's fine. So yeah, good first. Yeah. So basically, we have a mentor channel. So where you are not allowed, probably, or not, at least for now. Yeah. So I'm just copy paste something here because today we have an agenda to follow. Probably I want to do it in a smarter way. So how many of you done the the command called console.log? All of you? So you can help me. So I have a multiple line here. How can I print them in the screen? So this is a syntax called template literal, backtick. I don't know if it's visible from there.
Yeah.
So normally console log, if I do this way, it prints one line, just only read. So if I want to read multiple lines at the same time, so I should use this one, and then it should print like that. And it is printing the space because it has some space here before that. Yeah. So the agenda for today. Okay, I have to delete it. Yeah. So we already got an introduction from Christopher, and then review of our previous concept. Students get to do step 1 GitHub. Okay. Yeah. We are not doing it here. So we'll be reviewing the homework first. So how many you are done with the homework? All of us? We haven't done. Who's not? Who haven't?
I'm not sure which one is homework, because
I think what we'll do is we'll give you a little brief later on how to access things, and then maybe I'll ask Petra to do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I have seen in the channel people are doing different homeworks. I don't know. She shared some homework with the PDF file, and you are probably following something else. So there's some misconception. But from next time,
I was in conflict with her, and I
yeah. Probably you are the only one. But if it's
there's just a few people. Okay, how many people did the homework from GitHub? Okay, but how many people did the GitHub on? The homework based on my PDF.
Yes, I did.
Okay, so half and half. Right.
Okay.
Okay.
But from this week, we should be clear on one thing. We all knows what is the homework before we leave the class, and then we submit that specific one.
But he did the same thing.
It's okay. It's okay. We're not blaming each other. It's just some confusion there. So from this one, we'll be following the same one. Please come in. And then, because if you follow the same one and the mentor knows the homework, then you can get a good feedback. That's important. That's the reason. Okay. So I think Marjahan already agreed to Jisan and Krishna to demo their.
I didn't agree, but I thought it would be good to maybe Zishan do it first. Okay.
Yeah.
Just don't take more than 5 minutes.
Yeah. So we'll see the homework from this guy or one of them, or if anyone would like to show their work, definitely. So we want to see 2 homeworks max before we jump to the next week lesson.
Here.
Yeah.
So
yeah, you want to share the homework?
Yeah, you can click the link.
And then you explain, to everybody.
So probably Class 6. And
the second link, not the first one, second one, this one, down.
Here?
This one? First one.
This one. Okay.
Yeah, so, but this is first. If you refresh then you can see.
It's changing, right? The names are changing. It's random. So okay, let's look at your code. So what I have wrote. I think I need to zoom out a bit.
Recording?
Yeah, it is recording, yes. So, yeah, I haven't seen the homework, but just looking at it for the first time. But I don't know about this, the comments you wrote. But
I tried to do in a simpler way. There were some, problems.
I'm just giving some compliments. So it's good practice. You write comments. That's a good one.
Because I searched a lot and I have given all the resources, so that there are many possibilities to fulfill this to solve this problem. So you can choose because I've used a very nice resource called Stack Workflow. So there are many possibilities. I have chosen the one which I found it
Maybe
most
just
efficient.
explain line by line, okay?
Yeah. First, as Marjana has asked us to take a variable and put all the names of the classes in HYF06. So the array is not shuffled, it's unshuffled. So what I have done is shuffled the array first.
Yeah.
So that, and I have shuffled the array by using a very higher order functions, map and sort. And higher order functions are those functions which returns a function or takes functions as arguments. And they are used to sort polymorphic arrays. So after I have, and the way it works is the elements are taken in an array and they have been assigned a random key, and then they are sorted, and then they are mapped as an object. So after the array has been shuffled, I have used, and it's still in one-dimensional array. So I have converted the one-dimensional array into two-dimensional array by using splice method. And after the one-dimensional array has been converted into
What's your splice?
this one, while shuffle.length, new array push shuffle.splice. It converts the one-dimensional array into two-dimensional array, so that you can see, it's an array of one-dimensional array, and there is another array inside another array. And then I have printed by using document.write on the HTML DOM by using a simple for loop, and it's using the same I, because var has been assigned as a global variable outside the function, so it's accessing it. New array.
Yeah.
So how are you getting sure that they don't match? I mean, that you don't have like the same pairs. I mean,
You can see, because after it has been shuffled,
okay.
the main magic is done by the splice method.
Okay.
It is pushing the pairs, every time the first array has been shuffled, then it is pushing. So it's a dynamic kind of push.
Yes.
Every time it's shuffled, and then a new array is being pushed into the variable, which has been assigned as a global.
Yeah. I think you did a good job. And that's fine.
I think you went over and beyond.
Actually, I learned yesterday. I didn't know this.
That's
I
good.
searched and I was in contact with you.
Yeah.
So I told you as soon as I was managed to print it on the screen.
Yeah, it's okay. It's fine. You go a little bit beyond the class
But that's
scope,
very good.
but it's good. But who is not understanding the code? That's perfectly okay, and it's perfectly natural. Because in JS2 you have a dedicated chapter or week for learning this map, sort, and all this thing.
It's Swift
And-
coding, I think. It's used in Swift.
Exactly. And we haven't teach the loop yet, so it's okay not to use the loop.
Yeah,
that's
because I only
perfectly fine.
asked you to get the pair.
Yeah.
So is there anybody who did just a simple array that we can show everybody?
Maybe you
I
could.
think.
How about Marco?
I want to.
Anuradha's one was.
I want to see the simple one, not
Yeah.
Anuradha, I
I
think.
think we should
Is my suggestion.
I have
Yeah.
look a lot of loops.
Yeah.
Letter.
Just a simple one, just generating the array, okay? The card?
Matt random.
Yeah.
Yes. We're looking at your ones.
Who's this?
Anuradha, because they are saying, I don't know, you're
Well,
comfortable?
It was very simple.
Okay,
and not
can you
just
explain
fine.
what
like
it's
that.
doing?
Just explain.
I took HYF06 as a variable array. Then after that I printed it out on the console. After that I took a random name. It's a function which will work as a there will be two operations inside the function. First is the length, what will be the length of the array, and second is like a complex function which will have math.floor, which will take the lower limit, and math.random that I got from JavaScript W3 schools. Then that will generate the random names which will be multiplied with the length. But as I have taken the math dot floor, so it will not go to the ceil, like the upper limit, it will come down to the like that whole number kind of thing. So after that the function is executed. The P1 and P2 are the variables. I took that because we have to generate two persons name. That will be.
I think it's okay.
It's very simple.
It's simple.
Like just followed
That's
what
not what we want.
Marjan told me, like that PDF file. It's
Yeah.
nothing complex.
No. Doing doing complex is not a bad thing, but it's a good thing. It's okay.
Yeah. It's
But let me just quickly explain the code here. So here she is storing all the names in an array, right? We know the variable and the value. So it is a variable here, and right hand side is a value. So value can be single, integer, string, and array. So this is an array of array of values. And then she used a function. Did you teach the function yet?
No.
No.
You go okay. Okay. Okay, without function you can do even achieve that one. So you are assigning the
P1
calling a variable and then getting a random number and rand from here, right?
from the function name. It's like
Okay. So I don't know if I can do the same for myself. Yeah. So if I remove this one. I haven't tried. Let's see if it's work. Okay. Okay. I think it's here coming. I need to put some lines to see the differentiation between the two. Div. So the thing come after this one, it's Anu's code. So undefined is not coming, right?
because it is not defined.
It's not integer, like simple integer.
Sorry.
It's a random, but it gives like 0.1 something.
Okay, it's giving not a round figure, right?
Yeah.
So in that case, you're right. Method random into 10, right? Wow. Or how can I get the range from the range?
By using length of the
Length function, yes, that's good. You see, I'm learning too.
Actually, the language is evolving, so every year there are changes in this.
Okay, yeah, it's not giving the the random number because I'm not getting a random number from this one, right?
because
No, you have to use floor, math dot floor, or like removing the
Outside.
decimal numbers, so that.
Sorry,
So you need to floor the random.
throw the random number.
Yeah. Otherwise, it will be like a decimal.
Decimal number.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's true. See, guys, you're smart than me. I think in that case, I need to store in a variable, right? Call variable. You can say, yeah, index here, right? And then how to floor it?
Math floor.
Again, method floor. Like this way?
Yeah.
why you are multiplying 10 with
I don't know. Let's see. It's giving the same number, right?
you can like create another variable which will give the length of the array, and you can multiply them.
Yeah. So your code was like this one, right? Length, and then your
Yeah, Yeah, just without
with the length. Okay.
keeping everything inside a function, we can do it outside.
So you mean say this one dot length,
Yeah,
right?
within parentheses.
Yeah, it's working now. Yeah. So yeah. So basically, you can do it without the function, without using the function syntax. Yeah, and we will learn what is the function syntax and what is the use case and why should we use that. Yeah, it's changing. Oh, you are here already, Zoe, in the list of names. Right? Yeah. Great. Anyone else? I think we can just switch, jump to the next.
Do you have any questions?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
It's a good thing.
Yeah.
I have one, it's like, I think it's advanced for this class.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah,
Yeah.
when I created this array and I like copied to the nest for it, or like implementing that array, that like it was like pass by value and pass by reference. I was like the concept of pass by reference and pass by value.
Okay, we'll cover it in JS2 probably, no?
Yeah.
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 Okay.
I think you're on target, so don't worry.